and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And I think this is my second video speaking a lot in English in front of the camera, and it's not easy for me, but I'm here making the best of myself. Yeah. I will make my first farmer's market. I know a beautiful woman that gave me this opportunity. And for that reason, the last video that I shared with you was the chicken, the flowers, very easy patterns, easy, fast to make, using chinille. And I will show you all the last video that I made for you. After that farmer's market, of course, I will make another video and show you everything that I put on the table, everything that I maybe sold. I don't know. I don't know if I release sell something, but it's opportunity. Yeah, I'm already prepared the little card. I will show you. I made this card by myself. I bought the paper on Michael's and I printed. Yeah. Can you see? It's something simple, and this is the code for the link tree. And I just want to that the people near me on this community know about this project, about GretaWings. Yeah, and also I prepare the price, some price from 5 to 80. Lots of price, different price, depend of the Amigurumi. Also, I prepared these GretaWings in the same code, and I will put these on the table. I hope the people like it. And I have a lot of stuff to put in the Amigurumi on the back, everything. Maybe it's not the best, but if what I have at home right now for my first farmer's market. And I will tell you now everything that I have ready for tomorrow. Today is March 29, 2024. And the farmer's market will be next day, on Saturday. I will go with my Nina using chinilla yarn, but I think anybody wants to buy this because it's mine. It's funny. Well, I will go with the roses, with these funny chickens. With 4 like this. It's a little chicken. Yeah. Wow. I love these. They are so funny, easy. Wow. Also this. So cute. I made these. I didn't share this pattern with you yet because I'm not sure about this pattern. I don't know. I think I need to change something, but it's similar that some octopus that we already have by tutorial on this channel, but using a finer thread. But it's similar. The technique is the same. I made this soon. Follow another channel here on YouTube. The name is Crocheteando con Vanessa. It's in Spanish, but it's easy. I think, oh yeah, she put the subtitle on the video. Then I will share the link with you if you want to make this soon. It's very easy and cute. I made this like 3 years or 4 years ago. Yeah. And it's with me yet, then go to the farmer's market. Of course, I will go with my best seller, the siren head. Also, I'm almost finished in the black yarn. Yeah, the people love siren head with black yarn. Then, let's do it. Of course, it's Easter then. Let's go with these little bunnies. Everything that I show you has tutorial on this channel. In the description of this video, I will share with you all the links if you want to make something. More chickens. Also, a lot of peeps. Is Easter? Then peeps. I have more peeps. More like this in red. So cute. And also mushrooms. We need mushrooms. These mushrooms is so funny. You can make these. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And I don't put the stuff in. I will share this tutorial with you. We already have tutorial, but it's small, using a finer thread. But with this one, I didn't use stuffing, just chenille. Just chenille. I think I need make the tutorial again. Yeah, of course, I will make it. What more? Oh, the jellyfish. Of course. We don't have tutorial specifically. Oh, I'm so sorry for this. We already have this tutorial, but using a finer thread, I changed just a little. But I want to make a new pattern because I don't want to make this. And also, I think a little smaller than this one will be better. For that reason, I didn't recording the video yet. Oh my god, I made this for my first child. So cute. I think, yeah, I use a pattern that I bought on Etsy. If I found the link, I will share with you because it's easy and fast to make. I use acrylic yarn, but this yarn I love this yarn. You can find it on Hobby Lobby, but it's soft. It's soft. This acrylic yarn is soft. I like it for babies. And also, oh, I see now that we can move this. Oh yeah, I can move this. Well, go to the farmer's market. My baby, I think, just used for one picture. And it's the same with this. It's a butterfly. I don't have design for this. I think I have note. Maybe in the future I can share this design. But it's just a heart, a little heart with this tail. Yeah. I need to share this in some time. Yeah, because it's so cute. It's for a baby born. I just used one time for the picture. I'm so sorry. I don't have tutorial for this yet. Do you like this? I don't know if the people like this, but if you like it, I can make another one. Yeah. Yeah, I think I can make it better right now. I don't know. I don't remember in what time I made this. But I have these in one box for a long time. More in blue. And I made this. I think it's cute. And we can use. I think this one is for me. I don't have enough hair now, but I like it. Yeah. Maybe the people like it. Scrunchy. Yeah, is the name Scrunchy? And what more? Sometimes the people say that you cannot go to farmer's market without key. Without the key. I show you now. Without this. Oh. A lots of pattern that I'm already show you on this channel. I just put this. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. The candy. Little carrot. Oh, I don't remember how to say this in English, but you can see what it is. More candies. Little candy. Oh, they have one. Oh, this is the little mushroom that I speak. I speak about this when I show you this. Oh. It's the same pattern. Yeah. You can follow this tutorial and make this if I cannot make the tutorial right now. For that reason, you can follow this one if you want to make this mushroom right now. It's exactly the same pattern. Exactly the same pattern. Then the mushroom, hair, everything that I'm showing you here, you have tutorial on this channel. Oh, the bee. There's more. Okay, it's all that I have for key. But I think it's enough for the first farmer market. Also, I have this that I just use one time with me. Is the little mushroom. Hirings. I'm already putting on here. I think the people will like this. I love it, but I can use this with my babies. They Okay, and also I have this, but it's Easter. It's not the time for pumpkin, but I have this, and maybe I just put it in there and it looks good. It's everything that I have for my first farmer market. I hope the people like it. Also, I will go there with some sample of the yarn that I sell here in the United States and Puerto Rico. I will go with Sinfonia, with Chinille, with La Abuelita, with a lots of yarn. Also, I will go with another amigurumis that we have on this channel, but they are a very different price. I think I just go with them to show the people what I made on YouTube, what I teach on YouTube, what I make with that yarn that I sell, just for that, because I don't know. I love the amigurumis that I have here, everything. Also, I love this, no? But I don't need on my life 4 mushroom. I just need one. And for that reason is different just for that. Oh, I made this with another chinilla different, and I put the stuffing. But later I use this chinilla that is the name is Bernat blanket, and with this one we don't need stuffing. We don't need nothing more. Then, yeah, I think tomorrow will be a beautiful day. I will stay with another woman that likes sewing, like crochet. Will be beautiful. I love that. I remember when I learned YouTube on Cuba. I learned YouTube in Cuba in some academy. 2 years. I just go one Saturday yes and one Saturday no. But that Saturdays are beautiful. With a lots of women in a big table. Everybody crochet or embroider. Oh, I need remember that physically. Then oh, I will tell you later. I hope that you like this video. I know my English is not the best, but for that reason I appreciate that you are there, hear me seeing this video. I really appreciate that. And what you can let me on the comment one emoji. I want a chicken emoji. We have a chicken emoji? I think yes. If no, some eggs. A chicken or eggs. And let me know that. Let me that on the comment. And I will know that you see this video to the end. Please. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until the next Amigurumi. Bye bye.